Nice to meet you everyone. Today, starting from how to create an account through the Binance app, to KYC verification and security settings, I will explain everything step by step. Please follow along slowly. First, I will explain how to create a Binance account. The first thing you need to do is install the Binance app on your mobile device. On your mobile phone, go to the App Store or Play Store, search for the Binance app and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the Sign Up button to start creating an account. You can create an account using your email address or phone number. Please choose the method that is more convenient for you and enter it. Check the terms and conditions below, and press the Continue button. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, please check the code and enter it. Next, enter your password. The password must contain at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. Now you need to register an inviter. If you skip this step, you will no longer be able to register an inviter later, so you must register it at this stage. Be sure to press the Yes button. Then the referral ID input field will appear. In the referral ID field, please enter BB333. Then you can receive a 20% Binance fee discount and bonus benefits, so please make sure to enter it before completing the registration. Second, I will explain how to complete KYC verification. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Binance, KYC verification is required. First, select the country where you currently reside. Next, proceed with identity verification using an ID. Among the document types below, please choose the ID you have and continue the verification. In today's video, I will proceed with verification using a passport. When you are ready, press Take Pictures. When the camera screen appears, align it with the frame shown on the screen, and clearly capture the information page of your passport. After the capture is complete, proceed with the face verification step. Align your face with the frame on the screen, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Once this process is completed, the KYC verification application will be submitted. Now the verification review will take about 1 hour. And when the review is completed, the account status will change to verified, which means the KYC verification is completed. Third, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator. To safely protect your Binance account, it is recommended to set up the strong security of Google Authenticator. First, go to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon in the top left. Then press the arrow in the top right. Select the security menu here, and choose Authenticator app to activate it. Press the Enable button below. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile. Please enter the code that was sent. Then the Authenticator link screen will appear. Here you can see Binance's 16-digit key. Copy this 16-digit key. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After the installation is complete, open the app, and press the plus button at the bottom right. Then select the Enter a Setup Key option. In code name, enter Binance. And in your key, paste the 16-digit key copied from the Binance app. Once the input is complete, press the Add button. Then in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated. After copying this 6-digit code, please go back to the Binance app. Press the Next button below. In the Authenticator app code input field, paste the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app. Then the Google Authenticator setup will be completed. Today, starting from how to create an account through the Binance app, to KYC verification and security settings, I explained everything step by step. If you have any questions or difficulties during the registration process, please feel free to ask in the comments. If today's video was helpful to you, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching today as well.